Hi guys! In this week video, we will continue our Anilao scuba diving adventure. Our third diving destination is the Cathedral. The Cathedral is a popular dive site in Anilao, Mabini, Batangas. Are you curious why this dive site is called the Cathedral? And what's the story behind it? Let's find out in this dive adventure. Join me as we explore the underwater in the Cathedral dive site. In this video, we will do reef wall diving, explore the colorful coral reefs, observe different varieties of tropical fishes, and be amazed by the rich marine biodiversity. Without any further ado, let's begin this adventure. Welcome to my channel. I'm here and I'm Leah.